Hello, my little stars. I'm Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Seen, seen, seen. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Swad, swad, swad. Zod, zod, zod. Toy, toy, toy. Zoe, zoe, zoe. Let's read again. Seen, sheen. Swad, zod, toy, zoe. Okay, stars. Hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.